Watching us right now, mazina maita ADB, the entertainer, of course, Jahinyini Apex TV, the online TV station on Western Uganda, of course, and I was offering kutiti abrisho. That's Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, hamwe Instagram, of course, it's Gaman Apex TV UG. Hamwe ADB, the entertainer, of course, right now, twafuna which insani kiri, of course, na kuna tugambira concert ekatambureta na buchimwe chona plans nizies kugarakaho after this concert na buchimwe chona tutakwenda to discussing Ahinyini Apex TV hamwe ADB, the entertainer. Na kwa chira munyono wanje.
Nyina achira mzee.
Ramse wabantu right now bari batureba Apex TV.
Mazima abantu abagizi banje nimbaramusi amazina no banyantani Kembo, the Western champion, the dancer gladiator, outer cyberspace. Nabachira al Apex TV, the best online TV on this one.
Yes, twatandika right now tugambire kuruka concert by the way.
Amazima concert yetu kagira bamu. Serious tukagira bamu.
Ekatambureta
steady. Kind of steady.
Kind of steady.
So it was massive, it was awesome, it did to the best. Mwene kakulecha afai. You know what it means to be at Lakeview?
Omutaka tumumanyire.
Taine muramu aine rwango. Kutu kuchitera akwatwitima. Ebitu kutunda shabatudibise. Ogumbi bombi shagamambi.
But people were asking me, ngo omutaka tumumanyire no hogo. Like, who's that person?
Hona mbwene EDB kaniwa abiruru MC omutaka tora muri ebirizo obere.
Like, to break it short, like, yeah. What does it mean? Like, nchumaisa chinko mbugufu omutaka tumumanyire.
Manya abatakanu babari binji. Nubo kuresha ngo muntu wabano okurakurana nka Apex TV bare bakwenda bakufutera hansi. Ukatebekana shoshonka Lakeview bare bakenda kufuteza enjura. Babataka babari yokwe. Babari yokwe.
Okay. So show in short like ekatamburita like twachitana kangu kugahana naha chikatamburita.
Seriously show eketarimbi kureba cause people came. It was the first show to be done at Lakeview. Yomunyankore ankonka mwene katana pekabiri yamani munonga abantu bakechenyumira anujuka Lakeview mwene kiri abantu executive people abamwene batinayo but people showed the support.
Okota kurubwo but put in such place okufuta umwanya nkogo at your level okota kwihura mukabwoba
hapana tindahurire muna bobona kache kozi abantu bo hine kintu cyo bakubana benda no basana cyo kureba nkateka kwa nko speed abantu baburo kuna atira Lakeview abantu they turned up in big numbers.
Okay.
Yes, so kantine mfutina kuona.
Okay.
Yeah,
abantu intimidation tuzazifunde kurgomba abantu mba no kufuna loss intimidation zimwe namatukushanga mbafutina tini series.
Of course, because there are someone who told me nti ogunikirati show Lakeview naza kufuna mu abantu bashat. Only see people. Someone told me about
yes, bakamba gamba abantu bashat.
Yeah, someone told me nti ntona nikirati show Lakeview naza kubabasa naza kufuna abantu bashat. Na nikajansi fine, let me wait for my turn. Kuba chire na abantu babiri bashatu abantu bitano. Nyama oh wow, what is this? So mwene kincho ekimurhanga tukabasa kukizibira.
Okay.
Yes.
Konkano reba ngo music ya Western abantu bagiyomba gihagira ninge hakirimo kuzarawa kwinshi.
Kogire ngo abantu tubakwagira music ya Western nkanta kwasa kufuna abantu nkabitana plus Lakeview. Cause heart people they have started to show us love in Western music. Ekibe kitaro. Bakanu batpinga some days back konkata abantu rukundo yibatwinire ne yamana munonga. So ni mangu my next show ninza kufuna tana po yabantu nanyabunta komanya muhendo.
Saka gira next show like ni cyo kuri right now chikubona music ya Western Uganda.
Ekyakubire nchibura mu shaheji it is only one thing, cooperation. We need to cooperate. We need each other.
Ohana noha.
Right off from okuruga mweshongozo kaza promoter kaza DJ kaza blogger everyone media houses we need each other. Twaba tine that cooperation we are not going anywhere.
Okay.
That's the fact.
Cooperation ndicho ngocho kure nchibuanchi tubuzabuza ninga nicho kizu.
Yes, cooperation is the most important thing in our industry.
Music ito kugira ngo I mean okukweri production na bichimu chamani.
Production tuzikabire because we've got the baddest producers around town twine ba promoters abaman munonga so our production now is fair.
Okay.
Umuntu no mutera kesho ngura kahura.
Okay.
Ahura kandi kabonire nabasakatera ukatwara bana nankahi hona abantu babasaka so it means present production hati it is at a higher standard.
Okay.
Yes.
So what's your next step? Ukohereze concert age steps nziyezinde zinyuzigaka right now?
Of course I've got more nyine bingi munonga. My next step it is mperize concert nabahereza my new jam ekyeshongoro cyanje tsya
mbacheta kiya
nibachita urugendo oru
nobasa kutushorongoreramu
no chero mukasheshe ojwala kurunjotyo obonera yamawe okwata omuhanda orugendo. You dream to be a star, you want to be a star. Olwana mashaija hazotoba ayende byamane hazokola. Run for your future, run for your gratitude. Ebyenso bisigawo ofayo hazokola. Run for your future, run for your gratitude. Ebyenso bisigawo ofayo hazokola no rugendo. Bori omenana bo mu rugendo.
Thank you so much. His name is Nicky Kembo. Right now tugambire after ekyona okukironkinga ngaliari na chimuchona.
Of course echichonkinire it will be a charity concert. This time around think when akora shonti Nikiri. I want to do a charity concert so that I can help more people. Inabana bakwenda obuyambe bingi munonga. As an artist oba abantu baburijo bachi I need to do a charity concert.
Okay.
To give up some hope to them. Nchonkwenda kora. So echechi it will be a run for your future charity concert, Oborugendo concert charity. It is a charity concert. This time I'm doing a charity concert.
Wow.
To help those who are who are in need. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
So tujirangu it will be your first charity work ninga harundisho yobi wako ziti.
Of course we've been doing charity works out there. Tinabana tuyambara nkombi kokwe mchiyanjo ko kamukuzi. But this time around I want to let it be in general. So I need to help many people as many as possible. You understand?
Okay.
So tinkwenda kugirango bana igura sa nyenda kuyamba bana nyamba abantu nyambe those in schools everywhere. You understand?
Okay.
Where possible I inkubasa koma nichonkwenda kora.
Concert jino yokubera inkai?
So we are still discussing about the place where it should be. Konka we soon, as far as soon we shall unveil the place.
Okay.
Yes.
Right now wakubana kwitaga ka kushanga nka myanya chi like your music yawe na basa kufunata ningo kwenda kusupportinga na bachimwe chona.
Yes, of course my music no basa kushanga in every kind of the store. You can get it on YouTube, you can get it on my WhatsApp, you can get it everywhere. Every kind of mix store hona nonshanga yo seriously. So mwene yanje tokajiro tato bani buri ka music store akona kakuba karuho nonshanga yo Nicky Kembo, Instagram Nicky Kembo, Twitter Nicky Kembo, Facebook Nicky Kembo, WhatsApp we gave you my number. I got to give you my number on WhatsApp so that you can acquire my music everywhere.
Okay.
Yes.
What are your last words to your fans right now bari watching hati Apex TV nibigamba chibyo kubahereza na bachimwe chona?
For sure, I need to first to appreciate them.
Okay.
I need to appreciate their power. They've given me power that I couldn't obtain me as a person. The power belongs to the people.
Okay.
And because I couldn't do a shot like if it was not people's power. You understand? So I really appreciate the big effort they have just put into me, the big trust they do put into me.
Omwana agamba Jamaica omwana agamba patwa.
So ni kugambira anti abantu kubataro na nitukutaro. That's why they have put a lot of trust in me. They put a lot of power in me. So I need to appreciate their work. They're big, they are totally big. They've made me to be who I am right now.
Okay.
So that's why I need to appreciate all the time that you the best. I love you so much, my fans out there. Na nimwa batakumpagira mazima na nimbashaba mwize mu mpagire. Twaba turubabiri we can make it to the top. Achenga So na ninyeta buri muntu wena I don't discriminate. Obori inkai I call upon everybody to be my supporters. Come support Nicky's music. I'm someone who is down to us. I'm someone who needs my fellow artists, my fellow people to get up. Fenatu tukirewa mochitegela se yagariza nganzo omuntu nyenda buri muntu wena kurebuka ngu yimukana Nicky so that we can get to the top. So and I call upon everybody, whether you are my fellow artist, whether you're my fan, whether you